All right, Mom, here we are organizing the garage.
Taking a break.
Hey folks, it's Carrie from Pretty Neat. Thanks for joining me. I have something a little bit different today for my video. I'm actually here at my mom's house and we are going to be working on organizing and decluttering her garage. So I thought it might be fun to give you a peek into the process and show you some of the progress that we make today. So I hope you'll find this interesting. If you do, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe. I share new videos here every week about organizing and decluttering your home and adopting a minimalist mindset. So I hope that you'll stick around.
All right, so here's what we're starting with. We already have some shelving and drawers and some cabinets in place. So the structure for the organization is here. It's just a matter of kind of clearing out the things that aren't getting used. And we just kind of made a plan of attack. We're gonna create sections for stuff that's gonna be given away, stuff that is going into the shed in the backyard, and things that we're gonna get rid of. All right, Mom, here we are organizing the garage.
Taking a break.
How do you think the process is going so far? Yeah.
Great.
So let's see, we've got
Getting rid of stuff.
pile of stuff that we're getting rid of, which is awesome. And then we've cleaned out most of these back shelves, just trying to categorize everything and deciding what to keep, what to get rid of. And these are things that need to find a home. We've categorized cleaning supplies, boxes, bags, all the beverages and stuff over there. So we're making some good progress here and we're gonna keep on going. Well, we are stopping for the day. Yeah. This table is all stuff that's on its way out. So, and then we did a lot of weeding of these shelves. The drawers are all organized and these cabinets as well. So made a ton of progress today. Good work for today. So I wanted to give you a little peek inside of these storage cabinets. We really pared these down, got rid of the stuff that wasn't going to be used. And the basic organization in this first one is, this is kind of like pantry overflow. So we've got 3 shelves of food, and then down on the bottom shelves, these are some overflow kitchen holiday type items, bowls and serving platters and things that are only used occasionally. And then in this second cabinet, we have paper products, cleaning supplies, and more cleaning. So these sets of drawers here, we've got storage, just some open containers on top for grocery bags, paper towels. And then the drawers have all been labeled by category. So we have gardening, we have a couple of just random drawers here down on the bottom. There's some painting supplies, and again, we've really tried to pare down, added some dividers in here to keep everything organized. And then over here, we've got tools in the top. Again, kind of cleared out so you can see everything. Just some random parts. And then down at the bottom, some medical supplies. So again, everything's pared down, categorized, and labeled so we can find it easily.
So I hope you enjoyed that look at a garage organizing project. If you did, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I share videos here every week about organizing and decluttering your home and adopting a minimalist mindset. Talk to you soon.